Hey guys, Neil here with Ebador Digital, and right now we're going over the 9 trends your business must follow in order to have a successful website in 2020 and moving into the future. Before we get started with this video, I need you to go ahead, just because you're interested in the topic, go ahead and go below this video, subscribe to the video, ring the bell, thumbs this up. As you're watching this video, go ahead and comment any questions, or not even any questions, comment what you are finding valuable in this video so I know whenever I'm making future content. If you want to read the full show notes that go along with this video, go ahead below this video and see in the description there's a link to the Ebador website, and you can read this blog post and blog posts like it. So websites have constantly been changing ever since they came about, and even how long websites, business websites, and the idea that every business needs a website, this concept has only been around from between 10 and 15 years. So not that long, and they've changed dramatically as technology advances. Every single year you see an increase in the amount of users that are using mobile devices, and now people are moving into utilizing Facebook and other social media platforms a lot more than what they did in the past. And right now we're going through a very dramatic shift in the evolution of websites, where it's really like we're getting into website 2.0, where websites are now built for mobile devices, and really they've been built for mobile devices. But now it's to the point where it's like websites need to be mobile responsive. They need to be built mobile first and designed for the user experience on mobile devices more than on desktops. So moving into 2020, your business website in general, needs to be focusing on a lot of different strategies than what a website would have had to focus on in the past. These are the 9 trends that your business must be following in order for your website to be successful moving forward into the future. Number 1, websites must be built with a mobile-first approach, almost as if they're built to be desktop responsive instead of mobile responsive. I talked about this a little bit in the intro. Websites nowadays are being used more and more by mobile users. This means whenever you design a website, actually, I think it's 50.2%, so it's over 50% of web users are using a mobile phone. So any kind of web searches on Google, Bing, browsing different websites, 50.2% is from a mobile device. So whenever you design a website, you need to make sure that before it's desktop user friendly, it needs to be mobile friendly for such a growing number of users using mobile devices. Number 2, your website needs to have an extremely fast load time. This means removing motion graphics and removing any unnecessary images like background images to sections that don't really need a background image. Now, I'm not saying that you have to remove every single motion graphic and you need to remove every single image from your website, because it's not true. These things can create a sense of, it can help create a prettier user experience and help you express your brand or your services better. So you should utilize these things, but don't go overboard with graphics and images, because it can slow down your website. And whenever you slow down your website, you get a a decrease in user experience because your website's loading slow, people can't find what they're looking for, they have to wait, and because of this you don't show up as much in Google or Bing rankings. Number 3, utilizing Google AMP. Google AMP stands for Accelerated Mobile Pages, and what it is it is a integration with your website so that whenever someone does a search for your business or a business in your industry or a service you offer, Google will show an AMP version of your website in the Google search results. And when people click on the Google AMP page, it shows a dumbed down version of your web page, and really what it is it's a web version of your web page that reduces JavaScript and CSS so that it loads quicker on mobile devices that are using data. So it creates a quicker user experience, help users find exactly what they're looking for really fast, and it actually helps you rank higher on Google search. Number 4, add a call to action before the fold of your web page. So what a fold is it's whenever you can see the screen, say the screen is this big, whenever your website loads, you need to have your call to action in this box before a user has to scroll. So your call to action should be right here, and so people can see exactly what you offer, and they can get what you offer or move forward with the process of getting the service or product you offer without having to do a lot of work. Number 5, this kind of goes along with number 4. You need to have a purpose for what the next step is that you want users to take. So it's really like a purpose of your website. What do you want users to do next? What is your call to action? Your website isn't just to tell people about your business, it's to actually sell them on your business and then also give them the opportunity to buy your product or service, or to maybe donate to your organization. Maybe it's to sign up for your blog's newsletter. Whatever the call to action is, you need to figure out what the call to action is so that you can actually start benefiting from your website. Okay, we're on number 6, and number 6 is you need to integrate the Facebook pixel with your website. What a Facebook pixel is it's used in the Facebook or Instagram advertising platform, and it essentially just tracks users' behavior on your site so that if you currently are advertising on Facebook or if you plan on advertising on Facebook in the future, Facebook will know the actions that people have taken on your website, so you can create custom advertisements for people that visited specific pages or spent X amount of time on your website. Number 7 is that you need to add social proof to your website. Social proof is just, it could be reviews, it could be testimonial videos from previous clients, it could be showing your portfolio. You need to show that the work you are doing has actually benefited other people and that people like your service, and that it's not just you talking yourself up, it's also your previous customers talking you up as well. It helps increase conversions a ton. It will help your business out in 2020 and in the future. Number 8 is that you need to be using unique fonts, color palettes, and imagery on your website to set you apart. Going into 2020, more businesses than ever have websites, and it's difficult to get customers to your website. It's even more difficult to set yourself apart. So you need to be making sure that you're using unique colors that not that many businesses are using, but still stay true to your brand. You need to make sure to use images that are high quality, but also actually inspire the emotions that you want your prospects to feel in order to move forward with you. And then also you need to be using fonts that set you apart from your competitors. Number 9, and this is my final tip for what your business needs to be successful in 2020. And number 9 is you need to actually hire a professional website designer instead of using build-it-yourself services like Wix, Squarespace, etc. The reason why is because web designers will help you complete every single task on this list. They will help you rank higher in Google, they will create a better user experience, and overall they will make it so the website actually helps drive customers to your business and helps you make money off of your website. To wrap everything up, if you use all 9 of these steps, your website will go above and beyond in 2020 and moving into the future. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, thumbs this video up, and comment if you have any questions.